So this is Batch 2 Group 10, and for today's video, we're going to reenact some of the famous movies here in the Philippines to show you guys what are memory speech, multimodal text, and criticism. But before that, let me give you a little knowledge about memory speech, multimodal text, and criticism. Memory speech is the one that is performed completely from memory, in which the speaker does not use any notes. One example of this is movie scenes where the stage actors memorize their lines. So the second one is multimodal text. Multimodal texts are often live, digital text, or paper-based. So in our task, we use digital and printed-based multimodal text. So then the last one is critic. It is a careful judgment in which you give your opinion about the good and bad parts of something. In our task, we will criticize or evaluate the performance tasks of the other group. The movies we reenacted are popular and really stirs people's emotions. These are Starting Over Again, My Eggs and Wise, and A Second Chance. Our main actor is Vincent Perez and our main actress is Glyza Eunice Tabag. Watch out and hope you guys like it.
This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Oh, di ba? Buhay nilang dalawa sinira mo para ano? Para sa akin? Para saan? Para sirain din ako, ganon? Oh, now I get it. Teka lang. Kaya pala may biglang friendly kasi ako from a hot chick. At, yung nagpa-deliver, yung babae, yung may sakit. Di ba? Oh, wow! You really go this low to what? Get even? Ha? Ano? Sinisiraan mo ako dahil marami nang kumakape sa akin dahil nakikita nila kung gaano katigas yung puso mo. My God, Kali! Ang tagal-tagal na noon!
Pero yung matagal na yun, nandito pa rin.
It's just one mistake. Isa lang.
Kaya isa, dalawa, tatlo, pareho lang yun. Sumausaw ka pa rin sa iba.
Lasing ako nun.
Lintik na palusot yan kahit lasing ka, alam mo ang ginagawa mo.
Nag-sorry kagad ako sa'yo nun, di ba? Kasi kahit anong sabihin ko, I was wrong. Nagkamali ako. Saktan kita.
Saktan. Kayong mga lalaki, akala nyo kapag nambababae kayo, nasasaktan nyo lang kami. Makikipaglampungan kayo. Tapos sina-expect nyo, iiyak lang kami. Itutulog yung sakit. Tapos paggising okay na. Yun ang pangarap namin. Sana nga ganun na lang kadali yun. Tapos hindi. Walang tigil ang takbo ng utak namin. Pinipilit sagutin ng maraming tanong. Ba't niya kaya nagawa yun? Am I not enough? May kulang ba sa akin? May mali ba sa akin? Pangit ba ako? Pangit ba ang katawan ko? Kapalit-palit ba ako?
No.
Then why? Bakit mo ako nagawang lokohin? Alam mo kung gaano kahirap para sa akin na magtiwala, Gio. But yet, I trusted you. Because you promised. Nangako kang hindi mo ako sasaktan. Nangako ka. Para mo akong pinatayang, Gio. Hindi mo katulog. Hindi mo kakain. Hindi mo kausap.
You actually think that?
Oo! Oo, naisip ko yun. At sa tingin ko
Always complaining how incompetent I am.
Hindi naman na sinabi yun.
Anong hindi? Baka siya nag-refresh yung memory Your work is substandard. I did not pay you to give me mediocre work. And the worst part is ikaw.
Ano?
Yes, you are the worst part.
Ako?
Hindi nga, ano kung isulmin ang bumbong na yun?
Eh, ano gusto mong gawin ko ginahin ko yung tao para mawala tayo ng kliyente? Na nag-iisa natin kliyente, may I just remind
So,
you.
kasalanan mo pa kayo isa ng kliyente natin.
Hindi ko naman sinabi yun, Popoy. Sinabi ko ba yun?
Hindi mo nga sinabi naman nakasulat sa mukha mo.
Lahat na lang. Hoy, to. Ano to? Andito pa rin to? Ako na nang gagawa ng lahat dito sa bahay?
Sorry na lang naman.
Hindi.
Dele.
Hindi na ako na makakalimutan mo na naman.
Hindi na.
Hindi na ako na.
Akin na nga eh.
Ako na nga.
O sige, ikaw na! Butik! Sige, ikaw na lahat! Sige! Ikaw na lahat!
Anong gusto mong gawin? Anong gusto mong sabihin? Ano?
Sigurado ba? Ako sigurado kung tama ba ang nagkabalik.
You would always ask me those words I say and telling me what it means to me. Every single day you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love I give, for you still hold the key. Every single day you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love I give, for you still hold the key. Every single day you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so.
We're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again.
Alam mo, umalis ka na, wala na tayong pag-usapan.
Tama si Beb. Wala ka talagang plano dito itong project na to. Kaya mo lang na nagto para nag-imang.
Saan naman galing yan?
Kat, o gusto mo naman talagang plato, pero ayaw mo.
Hindi ka pa rin nagbabago. Ikaw pa rin ang genie na hindi titigil hanggat hindi nakukuha ang gusto niya.
Dahil hanggang ngayon ako pa rin na gusto mo.
Oh, really?
Eh, bakit nga? Sabihin mo sa akin ba't hindi mo nagustuhan? I deserve an explanation.
Ano sabi mo?
I need an acceptable reason.
Bakit?
Dahil pininabaho ko yun. Pinaghirapan ko yun. I invested my time and my effort.
Kaya kailangan mong malaman kung anong mali.
Oo, dahil kung may problema, gagawan ko ng paraan.
Dahil hindi lang oras mo at pagod mong pinuhunan mo dun, di ba? Pati puso't kaluluwa mo. Di ba? Dahil ginawa mo yon para sa isang taong inisip mo na may tiwala at paniniwala sa'yo. Di ba? Kung magkamali ka man, iniisip mo na bibigyan ka niya ng pagkakataong itama yun. Kasi pinaniwala ka niyang mahal ka niya. Na mahalaga ka sa kanya. Na pareho kayo ng tinatanong sa buhay. Diba? Kailangan mong malaman kung bakit isang umaga pagising mo biglang nagbago ang lahat. Bakit wala na siya? Bakit mag-isa ka na lang? Kailangan mo ng dahilan, diba? Kailangan mo ng mapangahawakan. Kung bakit kailangan mong tiising na magmukhang tanga. Magmukha kang tayo sa paningin ng tao. Sa paningin mo sa sarili mo. Kasi hindi mo alam kung paano eh. Hindi mo alam kung kailan. Hindi mo alam kung anong nangyari, kung anong mali sa'yo, ba't ka niya iniwan? Anong karapatan mong hingin ng isang bagay na pinagdamot mong ibigay? I deserve an explanation. I deserve an acceptable reason. Bakit nga? Ba't di mo sinabi sa akin ang lahat na totoo? You expect me to believe that? Sa tapang mong yan?
Hindi kita gusto saktan, Marco.
I almost died. And every day, I wish I did. Tell me!
I was beginning to see my father in you. Talunan. Mababa ang pangarap. Marco, paano ko sasabihin sa'yo yun? Na unti-unti nang nawawala yung paghanga ko sa'yo. Yung respeto ko. Natakot ako na maging katulad tayo ng nanay at tatay ko.
Sakit na akong sinabi. Alam mo kung anong namatay sa akin, Jeannie? Trust. Hindi ko na kaya magtiwala sa'yo ulit.
We're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again. 'Cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll love all the pain away. Welcome home, my loving friend. We are starting over again.
If we ever broke up, I'd never be sad. Think about everything I thought we had if we ever broke up. You're always on my mind, and it's how much I care. I can't think of a time that you weren't there.
We gon' tell her what it is, ho, what's up? Every good girl needs a little thug.
Let's go! My stupid heart, oh no, I tried to let you go so many times before. Then why the back? So they don't see this part of me. Love like me, don't cry.
I move so far in time. I move. Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimmick at kanya-kanya
sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng isang